Stress-free moving, organization and packing hacks. Title: Stress-free moving, organization and packing hacks. Introduction. Moving to a new home can be an exciting and fresh start, but the process of packing up all your belongings and relocating can often be overwhelming and stressful. However, with the right organization and packing hacks, you can turn this potentially chaotic task into a smooth and stress-free experience. This article will provide you with valuable tips and tricks to make your upcoming move a breeze. 1. Plan ahead. One of the most important steps to ensuring a stress-free move is proper planning. Begin by creating a checklist of all the tasks that need to be completed before, during, and after the move. This will help you stay organized and ensure that no important details are overlooked. Give yourself enough time to complete each task, and consider setting specific deadlines to keep yourself on track. 2. Declutter and streamline. Moving is the perfect time to declutter your belongings and get rid of items that you no longer need or want. Before you start packing, go through each room and decide what to keep, sell, donate, or discard. This will not only save you valuable time and effort during the packing process but also help you start fresh in your new space. 3. Gather packing supplies. To make packing efficient, gather all necessary packing supplies in advance. These may include sturdy cardboard boxes, bubble wrap, packing tape, markers, and labels. It's also a good idea to have a few extra supplies on hand in case you need them. 4. Categorize and label boxes. When packing, it's essential to categorize your belongings and label each box accordingly. This will make unpacking at your new home much easier. Use color-coded labels or markers to indicate the room each box should go to, and include a brief description of the contents. 5. Pack room by room. To avoid chaos and confusion while packing, tackle one room at a time. Start with rooms you use less frequently, such as the attic or basement. As you pack each box, remember to label it appropriately. Why and keep similar items together. This will save you precious time when unpacking in your new home. 6. Take advantage of space. Maximize the space in your boxes by utilizing every available inch. Pack smaller items inside larger ones and use towels, linens, or clothing to cushion delicate items. This will save you money on tray packing materials and reduce the number of boxes required. 7. Don't overload boxes. While you want to make the most of each box, be cautious not to overload them. Heavy boxes can easily break or cause injuries. Keep the weight of each box manageable by evenly distributing items and packing dense or delicate items separately. 8. Wrap fragile items properly. To ensure the safety of your fragile belongings, invest time in wrapping them adequately. Use bubble wrap, packing paper, or blankets to cushion delicate items such as dishes, glassware, and electronics. Fill any empty spaces within the box with packing peanuts or crumpled paper to prevent shifting during transport. 9. Pack an essentials box. Moving day can be chaotic, and unpacking everything immediately might not be possible. Pack a separate essentials box containing items you'll need right away in your new home. This may include toilet wreath, a change of clothes, important documents, basic kitchenware, and any other items you might require within the first 24 hours. 10. Seek professional help. If the time constraints or complexity of your move becomes overwhelming, don't hesitate to seek professional assistance. Moving companies can efficiently handle every aspect of your move, from packing to transportation, which can alleviate a significant amount of stress. 11. Notify important parties. To ensure a smooth transition, make a list of all the parties you need to notify of your change in address. This includes the post office, utility companies, banks, insurance providers, and any subs, RIPtions or memberships you have. Notify them well in advance to avoid any disruption in services. 12. Enlist help. Packing and moving can be a daunting task if you try to do it all by yourself. Enlist the help of family and friends to assist you with the process. Not only will this make the task more manageable, but it can also provide an opportunity to spend quality time together before you move. 13. Take breaks. While it may be tempting to power through the packing process, it's important to take breaks to rest and recharge. Moving can be physically and mentally exhausting, so make sure to schedule regular breaks to avoid burnout. Use this time to relax, hydrate, and regroup, so you can maintain your energy and focus throughout the moving process. 14. Utilize technology. In this digital age, you can take advantage of various apps and online resources to help with your move. Use moving apps to create a checklist, keep track of inventory, and schedule important tasks. Additionally, use online platforms to sell or donate unwanted items, making the decluttering process easier and more efficient. 15. Pack an overnight bag. To make the first night in your new home more comfortable, pack an overnight bag with essentials. Include toiletries, pajamas, a change of clothes, and any items you'll need for a good night's sleep. This way, you won't have to rummage through boxes to find what you need right away, allowing you to relax and settle in without added stress. 16. Consider hiring a cleaning service. Cleaning your old home after packing up can be time-consuming and cumbersome. If you're short on time or would rather focus on settling into your new home, consider hiring a cleaning service to take care of this task. They can ensure that your old home is left in pristine condition, saving you valuable time and effort. 17. Keep important documents close. During the moving process, it's crucial to keep important documents close at hand. Gather documents such as identification papers, passports, birth certificates, and financial records, and store them in a secure folder or box that you'll personally transport. This way, you'll have easy access to these important documents throughout the move. 18. Pack an open first box. In addition to an essentials box, consider packing an open first box that contains items you'll need immediately upon arrival at your new home. This box can include basic kitchenware, tools, cleaning supplies, and any other items that will help you settle in quickly. Label it clearly to ensure it doesn't get lost among the other boxes.